What's good, guys? It's Universal Dan Gaming Care, and I got another one for you. This is how you can get Photoshop Touch for your Android mobile phones. It's basically Photoshop for your phones for editing, like pictures, videos, maybe stuff like that. And so let's go to it. Well, it don't tell you much, guys, but I have a link in the description how to get it. This is basically for you pretty much, if you're looking for Photoshop, then you pretty much know what it is. I shouldn't have to go through all that and tell you guys, but for you ones that don't know what it is and just came across this is like a picture editing tool where you can allow you to put texts, other pictures with pictures on one picture, so you can have multiple pictures on one layer far as for Photoshop go. And you can add texts, you can do all this other little stuff. You can even edit the picture itself to make it look a whole lot different than what it did before. So this is Photoshop and it's free for you guys, the full version. And I had a link in the description how to get it, guys. Please, guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, now would be the time I would need you guys to subscribe because the new rules with YouTube going, you need 1,000 subscribers to keep your channel, you know what I mean, alive. As far as YouTube world, you need 1,000 subscribers, and it don't look like I'm gonna be able to be there, guys. But I told you guys, I'm not gonna let you guys down. I'm doing my best to keep Universal Gaming, Dan Gaming, relevant, guys. I mean, I can't do it by myself. I might need you guys to subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, then you kind of like one of those guys that checks out that checks out my channel but not subscribed. I would need you to subscribe to my channel. We need to hit 1,000 subscribers, guys. I'm not asking you guys to do it, but if you can, that would be so much appreciated, guys. We got to November the 18th of 2018 to hit 1,000 subscribers, or my channel will get demonetized, and it'd be really hard for you guys to find my channel because it won't be monetized anymore. So if you guys want Universal Dan Gaming channel to keep rising, keep growing, then I'm gonna need you guys to subscribe now. Back then I didn't care, guys. We didn't need it, but now we need it. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe now. And let's try to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers within February, which I know it's gonna be impossible, so it's okay, but let's try. You know what I mean? It's always an A for effort. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. And I'm sorry to have to brag about it, but guys, I need to let you guys know. You guys probably already know about it, but I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.